Hello guys, this is Gulzar Munawwar from Karachi, Pakistan. Today I will tell you about PayPal. PayPal is a well-known online payment platform that allows individuals and businesses to make secure online transactions. It was founded in 1998 and has since become one of the leading digital payment solutions globally. PayPal offers a convenient way to send and receive money, make online purchases, and facilitate transactions in multiple currencies. Here are some key features and aspects of PayPal. Account creation. To use PayPal, individuals and businesses need to create an account by providing personal or business information and linking it to a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Secure transactions. PayPal is known for its robust security measures. It encrypts financial information, monitors transactions for fraud, and offers buyer and seller protection programs, which can help resolve disputes. Online payments. PayPal allows users to send and receive money online. Users can send payments to other PayPal account holders by using their email address or mobile phone number. PayPal can also be integrated into e-commerce websites as a payment option. International transactions. PayPal facilitates international transactions by supporting multiple currencies. Users can send and receive payments in different currencies, which makes it convenient for cross-border transactions. Payment processing. PayPal acts as a payment processor, allowing businesses to accept payments from customers. It offers various integration options, including apps and developer tools, to seamlessly incorporate PayPal into e-commerce platforms. Mobile app. PayPal provides a mobile app for iOS and Android devices, allowing users to manage their accounts, send or request money, and make payments on the go. PayPal Credit. PayPal offers a credit service called PayPal Credit, formerly known as Bill Pay Later. It allows eligible users to make purchases and pay for them over time, similar to a credit card. Additional services. In addition to its core payment services, PayPal offers other features such as PayPal.me, which enables users to create personalized payment links, and One Touch, a feature that allows users to make quick payments without re-entering their login credentials. It's important to note that PayPal's availability and specific features may vary from country to country. It's recommended to review the PayPal website or contact PayPal directly for the most up-to-date information regarding their services in your region. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing knowledge. We'll meet in the next video.